Hello my darlings, on today's video I'll show you how to make this pearl beaded wedding veil. To make this wedding veil, I'll be using this white pearl tulle fabric, which is 40 centimeters long and 150 centimeters wide. First, I'll cut rough edges on this tulle fabric on both sides. And on a veil hem, I will cut a curved shape. And tulle cut fabric I will use to cover hair comb. So here's my curved hem on my veil. Looks like that. So this is the hem for the veil. And this is the top of the veil where the hair comb will be sewed. I'm opening up my tulle fabric and I will cut these pearls off the edges so they are not too close to the tulle edge. Here are all pearls cut out. Next I will gather all this edge with the needle and invisible thread. I'll be using this invisible thread and I will sew up and down stitch to gather this tulle edge like that. And this is how it looks. I will continue gathering the rest of the tulle edge same way, like that, all along tulle fabric top edge there. So I have gathered all of the tulle top edge and it looks like that. And the gathering width, I will do same width as my hair comb. So I'm sewing same width as the hair comb. And this is how it looks. Next, I'll prepare hair comb. I'll be covering this hair comb with this tulle cut-off fabric. I'm cutting out 3 layers of the tulle fabric. As you can see here, the tulle fabric is a little bit bigger than the hair comb. Cutting rough edges off, so it looks like that. And I'm poking through my hair comb in the middle. So I'm placing my hair comb in the middle there. And I'm poking through my hair comb through those 3 layers of tulle and it looks like that. I'm cutting excess tulle off of each side, leaving 1 centimeter on each side. So it looks like that. So this is the curved side. I'm opening up my tulle so it exposes the middle part like that. Next, I'm taking hot glue, applying hot glue on that metal strip there, wrapping that tulle to the wrong side like that, gluing that together. So it looks like that. So that's the outside and this is the inside. Cutting that excess tulle off. So it looks like that, and this hair comb will go this way in your hair. Next, I'll attach this gathered tulle edge to the hair comb on a curved side. So this gathering goes on top there, so the pearls are facing out. I'll repeat that again because this is very important. The pearls have to face up and the gathered edge will be glued on there. I'm applying hot glue on a strip there and I'm gluing this gathered edge on top there very carefully, pressing quite hard so it sticks well. So it looks like that. So this is the outside and this is the inside of the veil, and this comb will be attached this way on the hair. Next, I'm using invisible thread. I'm folding this tulle edge to the inside like that and I'm sewing that edge together. Cutting excess tulle off on the top there. Next, I'm folding this top tulle edge inside like that. I'm folding like that and then I'm folding it again so it looks like that, and I'm sewing this edge like that. And basically I'll be hiding this gathering with this excess tulle. So I'm folding this excess tulle and I'm sewing this excess tulle onto the gathering like that. I'm catching the tulle on the outside by the comb there. So all layers are sewed together on both sides like that. I will sew other edge there same way like I did on other side. I'm folding this excess tulle like that, folding this tulle over like that, and I'm sewing this edge together. I'm double stitching that layer of the tulle all along there, so the stitching is nice and secure. And this is how it looks. Inside is all sewed. Next I will double stitch the outside of the comb. Basically I'm sewing the gathering with wrapped tulle around the hair comb. So I'm attaching both layers together so the outside is secured, and this is how it looks. Next I will sew in between hair comb. I'll attach tulle to the hair comb each part. So I'm just double stitching that so the hair veil is attached to the comb properly. I'm sewing last stitch and my wedding veil is finished. So this is how it looks. So this is the outside of the hair comb and this is inside of the hair comb. Looks like that. I will add all materials which I used to make this wedding veil in the description box. And here's my finished wedding veil. If you have any questions how I made this wedding veil, please comment down below in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this tutorial was useful. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I'll appreciate that a lot. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.